A grieving mother wants to know why her adult daughter was sent home repeatedly from Lionsgate Hospital when she had a deadly infection.
CTV's Angela Jung looks into the allegations of a misdiagnosis and the quest for accountability.
Her life shortened so quickly and so senselessly.
Anne Forry reeling from the sudden loss of her daughter, Natasha.
It's truly heartbreaking. I'm still in shock of the loss of my only child at 29, and it shouldn't have happened.
Forry alleges her daughter would still be alive if Lionsgate Hospital had properly diagnosed and treated Natasha. In early October, Natasha got a cyst drained. 1 week later, she started feeling pain and went to the hospital. Each time, she was sent home with painkillers.
Ultimately failed Natasha from her only hope of turning this around.
On the third and final visit, the doctors thought Natasha may have COVID, but the mother had doubts.
Said to him, well, it could have anything to do with this cyst that she'd had on October 2nd. Nobody seemed to even look at that. She went to Lionsgate every time.
Natasha died on Thanksgiving. The autopsy report found a staph infection which went septic, ultimately killed her. In a statement to CTV, Vancouver Coastal Health says, "We conducted a review to examine the circumstances and our processes in the care of this patient, and will use these findings to improve care." In Forry's quest for accountability, she was blindsided to learn they cannot file a wrongful death suit because Natasha did not have dependents.
And then this law is just more like a slap in the face to families who are suffering. It's like, you know what? Your loved one's future means nothing.
An advocacy group has been calling on the province to change this antiquated law.
So the thinking there was to protect families when the breadwinner is killed, but now 174 years later, we have perhaps more modern standards for valuing life and dignity under the law.
This is something that we will be addressing in the mandate of our government. It's a priority for me personally as Attorney General, and it's an injustice that has gone on too long.
Now Forry vows to continue fighting for justice in Natasha's name, however long it takes. Angela Jung, CTV News, Vancouver.